Hello, welcome to Easy English Daily channel.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Lima.
Where are you from?
I am from England.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who is in your family?
My father, mother, brother and me.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7:00.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9:00.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
What do you do after work?
I watch TV after work.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10:00.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you eat fruit every day?
Yes, I eat fruit every day.
What fruit do you like?
I like apples and bananas.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
What is your school's name?
My school's name is Green School.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you have homework every day?
Yes, I have homework every day.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play games.
What games do you play?
I play football.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books in my free time.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, I go shopping.
Where do you shop?
I shop in the market.
Do you travel?
Yes, I travel.
How do you travel?
I travel by bus.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am healthy.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise in the morning.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth every day.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny today.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining.
Is it windy?
Yes, it is windy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I have a phone.
Do you use the internet?
Yes, I use the internet.
Do you use YouTube?
Yes, I use YouTube.
Do you enjoy your life?
Yes, I enjoy my life.